Hey, it's Anna Catherine, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Bissell's Little Green ProHeat upholstery and carpet cleaner. So stay tuned to check out my honest opinion and review, and I'm even going to give you a demo and clean my sectional behind me that is absolutely covered in dirt and dog hair, I know, and Lord knows whatever else. I've got 4 dogs living with me here and my boyfriend now, so we are constantly consumed in dog care and all the great things that the dogs bring in the house. So it's now all on this couch, and I want to get this couch cleaned. So stay tuned, and I'll show you exactly how this works and the products and ingredients that I use to put in my machine to clean my couch. I own and have used Bissell's 2 previous versions of this exact same machine, but this is the latest and greatest. You know I'm always going to be honest with you and give you my honest opinion and feedback. So let's get started and check out how great this product really is. We're first going to start off with our DeWalt Shop Vac. I've got this head on it. Oh my gosh, look, this is kind of gross. Oh, this is from other dog hair that I've been cleaning up, but gosh, I cannot recommend this vacuum enough when it just comes to regular vacuuming. If you currently don't have a shop vac that you're using in your house and you have pets or kids, you need to start using it. It is a must. This thing picks up more dirt, dust, debris than anything I've ever had, any other vacuum, and I even just bought a new $180 vacuum. Thought it was going to be all that in a bag of chips, and it turned out not to be, and I'm back to using my DeWalt Shop Vac. So we're going to get this couch, just the initial dirt debris, cleaned off the surface, and then we're going to go in with the Bissell. I think I already have one dog that's on the couch. We'll see how long she'll stay on there while I'm using the DeWalt. My bet's 10 seconds. This shop vac right here is absolutely a must, like I already said. I love this specific head attachment that I'm using because it really gets in and cleans up the dog hair for me. Like I said, I have 4 dogs and 3 of them are short hair, but gosh, they sure do shed. I use this on everything, not just indoors, but also outdoors and in my basement, and I make sure to clean it after each use. Here is another must. I spray down the couch with some of this Febreze Pet Odor Eliminator. Oh, it smelled so good after. So this machine actually came along with some of Bissell Pro's spot and stain treatment. So we are going to put in some of this according to the directions into our water that we're going to insert into the tank. I'm also going to add in a little bit of dish soap that also has OxiClean in it and a little bit of vinegar too. I like to first start off anytime I'm doing a piece of furniture or carpet or rug and just do a first layer spray with the solution that we've mixed together that's in the tank. I just feel like it gets us prepped and set up to get a really deep clean. So here I am just spritzing over everything that we will then be vacuuming up. Next, we're going to go ahead and get started with the vacuum, and you can do it however you want. I like to go forwards, backwards, up and down, go different directions with it. Here I am just giving you a closer look. This is me pressing down on the button, so it's actually spritzing out the spray at the clean water in the cleaning solution mixture that we have in the tank, and then it's also simultaneously sucking up the dirt, debris, grime as well. I then like to go back over and just use the vacuum portion and make sure I'm sucking out all of the remaining dirt, debris, and mixture that's left in the couch to make sure we don't get any mold. I recommend doing this in your home if you have pets like I do. I've got 4, so I do this at least once a month. That's my goal. But check out how much gross stuff was in my couch. And that's just after 1 use. I'm going to go back over it again to get more out, but I just want to give you guys a quick overview. Things that I really like about this machine is that it's super lightweight compared to the other ones, even when I have this tank in. I like that they give you another brush head to use for stairs. I don't have any stairs that have carpet in it, but I'm going to test this tool out on some other pieces of furniture because if you don't know, I redo and repurpose antique and vintage furniture, and that's actually how I found out about the Bissell line of upholstery and carpet cleaning products. I found it on TikTok. Everybody was obsessed with it, and for the past year and a half, I have also been obsessed with it too. So overall, I give this machine a 10 out of 10 so far. I've already got 3 other pieces that I'm ready to go test this machine out on. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe here on my channel at AK_NextPageDesignCo. Also check me out on TikTok for short videos where I do DIYs, show you furniture flips, thrift flips, and more. and also am on Pinterest, so go check me out on there as well. Username on all platforms is AK_next page design code. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you next time.